Okay, language explorers. So, welcome to another video. Welcome, and let's look at today's Monday noun. Place. Place. A location in the world or space in the world. This is a nice place. Yes. I like being in this place. That place is far away. That place is far away. But this place is right here. Right here. How cool is that? Yeah. Which places did you go to? Which places have you been to in the country? Where or have you been to that place in the world? These places are nice at this time of the year. Yeah, it could be anywhere really. Scotland, Spain, that place is nice. That place is nice. But these places aren't. So that place is nice, but these places aren't. So that means that place singular, yeah, this place, that place, and places plural. These places are mine, but I've never been to those places over there. I've never heard of these places on the map. I've never heard of these places on the map. This is different. Yeah. That place was built by me. Yeah. It is the first time I've been to this place. It's the first time I've been to this place. I have not seen this place before. I've not seen this place before. Yeah. How cool is that? We are going to a new place. So I want to travel, but I'm not sure where. So I will just open a map and go to the first place that I see. Place on the map. I will go to this place on the map. Yes. How cool is that? Yes. So how are you going to travel to that place? So how comfortable is this place? How peaceful will that place be? What will the weather be like at that place? Yeah. Well, in this place, it's very quiet. Not many cars. Not very spacious. But very relaxed. This place is very relaxed. But if we look at this place on the mountain is very high. High. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? So, place and places. Yeah. Now, can you write place in a sentence? Comment below. Write your sentence in the comments below. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can subscribe to me on YouTube, follow me on Facebook, and join my Telegram channel. Just search for English with Adrian. Yes. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yes. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.